Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney, and today I'd like to answer the question, is there any connection between the immigration problem in the United States and Social Security's difficulty and unwillingness to approve cases and the long delays? And I've gotten a number of comments on my YouTube channel from people who are saying, you know, the problem is we have this immigration problem where people are coming into this country and they're not paying into the system, but they're getting all these welfare benefits, yet I'm disabled and I can't get paid. I will tell you that there's really no connection. I mean, in a big picture sense, obviously the government has a lot of different programs, and obviously Social Security does not have a lot of money allocated to it. But I don't think you can draw a line between the immigration issue and people coming into this country and the immigration problems and Social Security disability. Congress looks at Social Security as sort of a separate entity. They have to make a decision how much money they're going to allocate towards Social Security, and the Social Security Administration got to make its decisions about how they approve cases. But other than in the political sense that Congress people have to worry about everything, Social Security kind of operates as its own independent model. And the difficulty we're having with Social Security is because Congress doesn't fund this enough. There's not enough money to fund Social Security, not enough administrative law judges, not enough support staff. But that's, I think, because of a narrative in Congress that there's a lot of fraud in the Social Security system. A lot of people who are not deserving are getting it. There's a lot of mooching in the system. I see that word a lot. But that, and by the way, statistically, there's very little fraud relative to the size of the program. So there's not a big fraud problem in Social Security in terms of the numbers. But the bottom line is that there's no relationship between whatever issues you see with immigration or any other social programs out there in Social Security. It's kind of its own little universe. And the problem with Social Security, big picture, is that Congress does not believe, at least the current Congress feels like that there's too many people on disability, and they want to make it more difficult for people to get on disability. They want to kick more people off of it because they just feel like the standards have gotten too lax. But that's sort of a separate narrative from anything else. And of course, I encourage you to contact your Congress people and tell them there's a lot of suffering out there. When people have to wait 3 years to get to a hearing, that's really not fair. When they go to the hearing and the judge says, "We hadn't been to the doctor in 2 years." Well, yeah, because I've waited 3 years and I got no money. You know, again, that's the situation we find ourselves facing. So Social Security's got a lot of problems, and I think the big problem is Congress not willing to allocate money towards it. There's no political will for it, but there's no causal link between immigration or other programs or VA programs or anything like that in Social Security. It's just Congress's unwillingness to fund it and Social Security's decision to be really hard about who they approve for benefits. So hope you found this video helpful and answered that question. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. On YouTube, like it on Facebook, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to my YouTube page. A lot of useful stuff there. And visit my website, ssdanswers.com. A lot of helpful things there. I've got a free Secrets to Winning Disability Survival Kit. A lot of good stuff there. And if I can be of assistance to you, or you want to comment, please leave me a comment on the YouTube channel. I try to respond to all those, and I hope that, again, I can be helpful to you. My name is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.